everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Liz, and in today's video I have some super easy and really cute DIYs for you, so let's go ahead and jump on in. So for this first one, I am going to take an 8x10 canvas frame. I'm going to just cut with my utility knife, cut that canvas off of the frame, and then I will go through and remove all the staples because I want the back to be completely flat. And then there were some staples in the front of the frame that I removed as well, and I originally wanted to keep the natural wood look of this, but with those staples there and the holes that it left behind, that just wasn't going to work. So what I did was remove all those staples, and then I took some spackle from the Dollar Tree and I just used that to fill in those holes on the front of the frame. And then I'm gonna take my Waverly chalk paint and plaster. I'm gonna grab some of these wood planks from the Dollar Tree, and I am just going to dry brush all over the frame and 3 of those wood planks. Like I said, I wanted this to look as natural as possible, but with those holes in the front and the spackle, I had to paint over it. So I just went through and dry brushed all over them. After those are all dry, I'm going to take some hot glue and I'm going to glue the 3 planks to the back of my frame. And I did want to have a little gap in between each plank, so I just kind of eyeballed it and just hot glued my top and bottom piece, and then hot glued my middle piece last. After I've done this, I'm going to take some of these, I believe they're called blooming flowers. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take 3 of them and hot glue them down to my sign. And then once those are on, I'm going to take these Sola Wood Flowers. I am so excited to use these again in a project because they are absolutely gorgeous. Sola Wood Flowers was kind enough to send me a couple of bags of these. So here is a mix of some that they sent me and a lot of what I've purchased because I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed with these. I have so many ideas for them, and I cannot wait to use them. So thank you so much again to Sola Wood Flowers for sending me some flowers. I'll have their link down in the description box if you would like to check them out. So I'm just gonna take a mix of several of the different bags that I had. I just kind of toyed around with it, played around with the arrangement and how I wanted them to look in there, what colors, what kind of flowers. And once I got the look that I wanted, I just started hot gluing them right down to the corner of my sign. And once I've got all of those glued down, that is it for this project. I love this. This one is by far my favorite. I am absolutely loving the pop of peach in there and the neutral tones. It just screams spring to me and it makes me happy.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day.
If you guys are new here, hey, my name's Liz and I love everything crafting and DIY. If that's something that you love too, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and becoming a part of my little crafting family. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook where I post other projects and some behind the scenes things that I'm doing. Make sure you check out my Facebook and Instagram because I will have some really exciting things popping up on my Facebook shop soon. So if you want to stay up to date with that, I'll have all those links down below. For this project, I am going to grab a letter M for our last name. I believe I just got this from Walmart. And then I'm going to take some scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. I am going to trace out that paper to the M and cut it out so that I can glue the paper to the M. I'm going to take one of these galvanized buckets that you can get from the Dollar Tree with the twine wrapped around the top, and then I'm going to take a mixture of 3 different flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. I thought these were so pretty, and I don't know what it is, but yellow for spring lately has just been what I want. The yellow flowers, the yellow colors, I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. So I just put all of those in my bucket, kind of tried to mix them around a little bit without having to cut them off the stems. I just wanted to kind of intertwine them a little bit. And then once I've done that, I am going to add some hot glue to the back of my M. I took a wooden dowel and I'm going to just hot glue that wooden dowel down to the back of my M. And then I am going to cut that dowel down using my miter shears, and then I just place the M inside of my bucket, and that's it for this project.
Just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high.
For this next one, I am going to take this wood round that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I am going to take some of this adhesive cork sheet that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to start by measuring out how much I need. I just tried to use as much of this as I could because the entire sheet isn't going to cover the entire circle, so I just cut out about as much as it could cover, and I just laid that down on top of my wood sheet. The adhesive on the back of this is really sticky, so I didn't need to add anything else to it. I'm going to cover up the wood portion that's being shown on the front with florals and greenery. So I'm going to take this greenery, I believe I got it from Walmart a couple years ago. I'm going to hot glue that down, and then again I'm going to take these Sola Wood Flowers and I am just going to start hot gluing them all down, figuring out where exactly I want them. But I thought this turned out so pretty. I love the neutral colors that these flowers come in. You can even get them in pops of color as well, but I think that the neutral colors are so pretty. I just think this turned out super gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And then I just took some little boxwood that you can also get from Walmart, and I just kind of tucked those in where I thought that it could use a little extra greenery. I'm going to take some rope that I got from Joann's, but you can get this kind of rope at the Dollar Tree, and I just use that to make a little hanger on the back, and that's it for this project. I absolutely love it, and I think this would be so cute with a little picture pinned to the cork board, or you can just leave it as is. I think both ways look so pretty.
Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you.
For this last project, this is literally the easiest thing that you will ever do. So I just took a piece of scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. I traced out the back of a picture frame that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just cut that scrapbook paper down to size. Once I've done that, I'm going to take this piece of greenery that I'm pretty sure that I got from Joann's a couple years ago. I completely forgot that I even had it until I was going through all of my florals. I'm just going to stick that right down on the front of a picture frame, like I said, from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put my scrapbook paper behind it. I'll insert the cardboard backing right on top of that, and that's it for this project. I've been seeing this kind of greenery, I believe it's ferns, I could be totally wrong, but I've been seeing this everywhere in picture frames and paintings and signs, and I just think it's really, really pretty. So that's all you have to do, and you have yourself a cute little sign.
The clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow.
And that's it for today's video. Let me know what your favorite project was in the comments down below. Again, if you're interested in Sola Wood Flowers, I will have their link down in the description box below. I absolutely love them. I'm trying to figure out how to store them at the moment because I have so many. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody else.